No, no, not another ad. Okay, be up soon. Coming soon. I got my new Rode here. Hope you guys can hear me right. So I'm using a Rode microphone. Coming soon. Oh yeah. Man, this makes a difference, man. The Rode microphone makes a difference. And here we go, guys. 10, 9, 8. Here we go. Another edition of Crypto Mood. And there off we go. I hope you can hear me because these Rode mics, they're expensive. So they better work, right? You guys can hear me there. Give me, come on, okay? It's okay, right? Yeah, give me a comment there. So I'm just gonna show you the performance of Bitcoin and traditional assets, and I'll show you why. But first, before we do that, why don't we get through where are we now? We get to how the markets are doing first. And CoinMarketCap, as usual, we're at 62.1. Remember, pay your attention to this dominance, guys. Again, let me emphasize this again, okay? Let me emphasize this. Bitcoin is going to make you good money. I don't deny that. But this, and understanding this, is going to make you rich. Now, you want to make good money or you want to be rich? I would rather want to be rich. Yes, I'm I'm staking. No, what? I'm only staking. No, not that one. No. I'm yeah. There is staking now. Oh, I didn't know that. Let me look. Okay, let me look tonight. Yeah, good. You obviously hear me. So we want to be rich. We look at this. I'll have to study that, Brian. Thanks. So look at this. Okay, so I want you to always look at that. Bitcoin 8610, Ethereum 588. Hey, look, guys, I have my trading view. I'm so proud of myself. I used the Black Friday offer to get trading view. That's Ethereum 589. Here's Bitcoin. So fell quite a lot last week, but seems to have found its footing. And what we're going to see tonight is if it gives us a good Christmas present. You guys like Christmas presents, right? It seems this is pulling in. I love it if it goes up here because I know what it is going to do, okay? So let's see where the supports are. I put it here, I put here where the whale clusters are instead of traditional support and simply drawing trend lines. And drawing trend lines. So what I'm doing now is really very simple. I am drawing the whale clusters. Okay, let me see. Whale clusters is where the whales are, the big traders are. So you want to align it with that instead of simply drawing these, right? So the first whale cluster, I believe, is at 15.6. I'm going to adjust this, okay? Yeah, it's around here. Yeah. It's probably there. No, not somewhere between here. Yeah, 15.6. Yeah, somewhere there. The next whale cluster is 49. See, I got that right. See? So I adjusted to that, maybe even there. Okay, maybe even there. Yeah, I just adjusted to that so that it's aligned, so that what I see, I'm not fooled. Okay, I'm not fooled by all this randomness. I know where the big guys are, and the big guys are there. and they don't buy, then I know we're in big trouble. But it seems like it is going up again. I don't know if this is a fake out, because Bitcoin is something that likes to do a fake out. But I'm going to take you through, and I'm going to show you why I think that we will get our 20,000, above 20,000 by Christmas latest, okay? Because Bitcoin should end 2020 at 20. What else should it end it at, right? It should end at 20, right? Isn't that beautiful, Bitcoin to end 2020 at 20? But we're going to look at some evidence, and I know you guys want what? I know you guys want the free trade, right? You guys want a trade that makes 100% all the time. Did you guys go in my trade? Who went into my trade last week? I gave you guys S&P, right? The exact day to go in. I'm going to give it again. How many people made money from that? Because you know why? S&P is important for us because Bitcoin follows the S&P to a certain extent. I see Bitcoin also aligning back with our good friend. Who was our good friend before we decided to be not so good friends, but we will be best friends forever again? Gold. So if you look at the seasonals and gold, you pretty much have a clue, okay? You pretty much have a clue of where Bitcoin is going. So, the markets, yeah, they're totally different markets, but they're not that different, okay? They're not really that different. So we're going to look at the seasonal patterns for gold and Bitcoin. But first, before that, let's go here. Yeah, what happened? Bitcoin is gainful. Bad crypto news of the week. Yeah, there's some bad news last week. We won't go over it, but all I want to tell you is that there's going to be a lot of fear, uncertainty, doubt, FUD. You're going to hear a lot of this. There is just going to be so much crap throwing around. Why? To shake you guys out, to shake the small guys out while the big guys are still there. No need to fear from the FUD. It's Sino Global Capital. So I like this guy. I read through this, and let me show you, because there was a lot of FUD that was created in 2017. You guys didn't see it. It was scarier than this, man. I tell you, you were in 2017. But that's why we got the biggest gains, right? It was scary, guys. It was scary. So Thanksgiving, Bitcoin Day. Was this a Black Friday sale? Did you guys buy during the Black Friday sale, guys? News broke out that the Chinese government has seized 4.2 billion in cryptocurrencies as the Plus token Ponzi. Anyone caught by that? I know there's a lot of people in Southeast Asia. It was operating in Southeast Asia, Plus token, at least a version of Plus token. And yeah, when this happens, people always fear that, they will dump these tokens on the market, right? Before that, earlier this year, there was actually a rumor that, they also, Plus token was actually dumping, Plus token was actually dumping an EOS token. You want to know what happened through all this FUD? Okay, earlier this year, there was a rumor that they were dumping EOS token, and EOS did go down and then it went back up. You see what happened? You guys are scared, it goes down and then it goes back up. Okay, that's all it does, okay? And yeah, I believe that majority had been sold. And there's another 1 billion. Did you guys know that before this? That the Fed in the USA also sees 1 billion of Bitcoin. So if you put it like that, hey, there could be more than 5 billion, man, that could be dumped. But I don't know what the Chinese do, but the Feds, not the Federal Reserve, okay, the Fed, the FBIs in the US, what they do is they usually auction it off. Man, I'd like to get into that auction to get some cheaper Bitcoin, okay? So as I said here, yeah, you gotta really get through the noise, cut through the noise. The long-term bullish on Bitcoin, we continue to see industry professionals coming in. It's maturing as an asset class. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to show you something here. Don't be shocked. If you were in Bitcoin and I'm going to post something tonight actually on NAS. Yeah, good video by NAS Daily. You guys know, right? I follow the course on making videos. NAS Daily, got my first ROI 1,000 USD. Take that, not from YouTube, but you need to post it on YouTube or something. I got my first ROI. Okay, so here it is. Bitcoin. If you were there for 5 years, look at the performance, guys. 4,665%, 68% gold, 74% S&P. 3 years, 78%. Okay, versus gold 38, 40. In all this, look, Bitcoin is the champion. Bitcoin is the champion. Always there. It's always, look, it's champion here, oh, champion here too, champion here too. You know why? This is because Bitcoin fell, right? Bitcoin fell, and yet it was still the champion. Beats out gold, beats out S&P. 2 years, okay, beats out more. 1 year, yeah, beats out more. Yeah, all that, even with the highs and lows. So I want you to get this inside your thinking that, yeah, this is, if you look at it as a long-term investment, why are you scared? Why are you scared, right? The cool thing is about China having a ton of Bitcoins and mining a ton of Bitcoins is absolutely nothing. Yeah, they have a lot of Bitcoin, but this is about a 51% attack. Okay, that's too complicated. We're going to talk about that later, okay? That has to do with getting control of the Bitcoin network and actually changing it. As I said, it was possible, but it's just expensive. I don't know why people would even want to do it. I don't know. Do they want to do it for fun? I'm not sure, but that's why the blockchain has not been hacked. But guys, do you want to be rich or do you want to be okay? Okay, we can be okay with Bitcoin, but you're going to be rich through altcoins. Okay, look at this, look at this, look at this again. I presented this on the wallets class on Friday, like 1313. This was in 2017, the big bull run. And the bull run next year is going to be even bigger than 2017. You could have gotten 13 times the return if you had put your money in altcoins. At that time, again, let me warn you, at that time, Ethereum was an altcoin, right? So here's what we're going to do. On every Monday, we're going to touch about our friend Bitcoin, because why? It is the king of cryptos. Bow down to Bitcoin. Every Wednesday, we're going to talk about Ethereum. So on Wednesday, we're going to talk about Ethereum and altcoins, okay? And you guys can come to both, or you guys can come to one. This is if you want to make good money. It is good money, I don't doubt it. It is very good money. This is if you want to make crazy, insane, what else? Unbelievable. I don't have any other adjective. My English is not good. Can you guys write down some adjectives down there? I need some good English speaking people, man, with a very rich vocabulary. Okay, then if you want this, we'll talk every Wednesday. So at least we have a mix of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, Brian, copy luwak money, okay? Copy luwak money. But you got to balance the two, you got to balance the two, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is still king of them all. But I just want to tell you that. I just want to make you aware so that you know actually what you're getting into, right? So this is the other factor where I see that Bitcoin is going to go up. And of course, when I say Bitcoin is going to go up, what do I mean, Brian? What do I mean? Okay, guys, I mean Bitcoin is going to go up like that, make you good money, but altcoins are going to go up more, right? So if I say that Bitcoin is going to go up a lot, Bitcoin is going to go up a lot, altcoins are going to go up a lot. So if I say Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, it's like 10 times, right? And we already have a target at 10 times. That means altcoin are going to go where? It can't go to the moon. It's going to go to Mars, infinity, and beyond. You understand that, right? Mars, this could be Mars, this could be infinity, and this could be beyond. We don't even know where that is, because that is what altcoins did, guys. That is what altcoins did, okay? And you have some in altcoins in your portfolio. That's when you made 100x. 100 times, not 100%. Again, those of you here that are new, no, not 100%, 100x. Okay, so guys, when I ask my students like Brian, when these things really start exploding, when I said, Brian, did you make 2? I don't mean 2%. I don't mean 20%. I mean 2 times or 100%, right? When I say, did you make 20, I don't mean 20%, I mean 20x. Of course, maybe you guys are not used to it. That's why I have to put this in your vocabulary, which is why on Wednesday, we're going to start about Ethereum and altcoins. So remember, Monday is always Bitcoin. Wednesday is always altcoins. Remember that, right? Remember that. And Brian knows the formula. We're going to test him again. We're going to go through it again, okay? The formula to superstardom. And this is the thing, okay? Citibank predicts 380K Bitcoin, and now this vaccine rollout could cause the US dollar index to fall 20%. It is because the dollar index is falling, okay? that Bitcoin is going up. So Bitcoin is going up. What do you think happened today to the dollar index? Well, after London opened, I saw the dollar index going up, right? And USD JPY going down. Voila. So if this is going down, let me see. What do you think happened to USD JPY, guys? Because after London opened, I really saw it going up, right? USD JPY was going up. I don't think it's up now, right? I think it could be down, must be down, right? It was that 140, 114.36, right? Let's see. Again, just look at the USD index. Am I right? Yeah, fell down. See, it fell down because the US dollar index. So just remember that, okay, guys? Just remember that. Now, the next thing that we're going to do, we are going to look at seasonals. You guys like free trades, right? I'm going to give you another free trade, not a free trade, 100% trade, 100%. Something that happens 100% of the time, okay? This like happens 100% of the time. And the question tonight is, Bitcoin going to give us, or Santa, is Santa Claus? Yes, is Santa Claus going to give us gold and Bitcoin for Christmas? This is what I want to see. So we look at the traditional markets first, where my 100% trade is, I'll just reveal it to you. I hope you guys enjoyed last week's 100% trade, which worked, by the way, but probably we should go into a session in the future, right? Why? Even if I give you something that works 100%, you might not make money. Yeah, I know. A lot of people didn't go in. A lot of people didn't make money. I don't know why, when it worked 100% of the time. And it worked again. So when we talk about Santa Claus, right, we're going to look at, to know first, where Bitcoin is going, because Bitcoin is young. We have to look at gold. Let's look at the gold seasonals. Let's look at the S&P seasonals. If these go up, then you have a high degree of confidence that Bitcoin is going to go up, right? Because, hey, Bitcoin is correlated to the S&P and as a anti-fiat. As an anti-fiat, right? It's against fiat. If people go to safety of gold, because, you know, fiat, you know, gold doesn't give any interest, Bitcoin doesn't give any interest, guess what? Then gold goes up, Bitcoin also goes up. Also now it's different, okay, guys, again. You guys might be clever. Sorry, you're not no ops, right? You guys know that Bitcoin can give interest to DeFi. Okay, Bitcoin can give interest to DeFi. That's one thing good about Bitcoin. So let's do this. Let's go to the seasonals, okay? This is the seasonal for... And I'm going to go to the seasonals for S&P 500, right? Gold, look at gold. Look at gold. Look at December, guys. So we are here at the end of November. It fell just now, right? It just fell, right? 176,668 or something. Look at the seasonal there. Oh, it's due to fall. Mid-November or late November or December. I don't know what date this is. Look, it goes up. Oh, okay. So it has this pattern. Let's draw that out. Okay, let's draw that out. Let's draw that out. Can we pinpoint that date? Is there a trade on that date? Okay, can we pinpoint that? So we see a pattern like this. And then like that. Again, these are averages. Doesn't mean it needs to happen this year. Just telling you that these are average. So this is the pattern, right? Down, down, down. Now you're getting interested. Now, let's see for S&P 500. I want to see this for S&P 500. I'm going to just press this. And I'm going to go USA. Yeah, give me the USA, guys. I'm not interested in the DAX. That's German S&P 500. How come I don't have it here? No, top seasonal Dow. Let's go and see Dow. Actually, I want to see the S&P. Yeah, Dow looks like the same thing. Hey, can I see? Yeah, here it is, S&P 500. Yeah, I think it's going to be the same. Okay, can you see the gold pattern just now? Yeah, let's see the gold pattern. But let's see that. Look, the same. Ooh, look at that. Don't you just love that? Look at that. Don't you just love that? So it has something like gold, only that maybe early December starts going up, then going down. So we have a point in December where they turn around. Like that, like that. Okay? Now, wouldn't it be good if we know the probability? Again, nothing is exact. I'm talking about probabilities here. Wouldn't it be good if we know the probability of that turning point, the date, and the probability of that turning point? I want you guys to do some counting for me, okay? S&P 500, not 100, and also gold. S&P and gold up. When we trade Bitcoin, yeah, if S&P and gold up, Bitcoin should go up along with it. End of the year happiness. Jolly, jolly, jolly Santa is coming. I don't know if he's coming to Singapore, but yeah, it's probably in Australia because it's summer there. It's probably up north because it's winter there, right? So let's see. So let me give you this. You can't see this because it's in my thing. It's in my yeah, it's in I have it already. Okay, it's in my this. Okay, so this is data. It's in my PDF here. Okay, so this data is from 30 years, just like I gave you guys, some of you guys who heard it, right? You heard it during the before the US show. I gave you guys, right? I said, okay, the S&P is going to go up, buy on this day. Okay, but and I'm telling you why it's you guys got to be careful. You guys got to find your way in, but please be careful. And yeah, may the force be with you so you do not get out too early. It really depends, but the trade was correct. Now let's see for gold. I'm just going to write it here. Okay, for gold I see here that wait, let's see for the E-minis S&P 500 16. I'm going to put 16. I'm just going to put 16 first. Okay, bear with me here. 16. The code is 16. This trade works 10%. No, this trade works 100% of the time. Again, I'm allowing you guys to practice again because a lot of people are asking, when do you buy Bitcoin? When do you buy Bitcoin? I'm saying that what difference does it make? If you cannot do something that works 100% of the time, make money, how can you dream making money in Bitcoin? Hello. So I'm giving you again, I want you guys to practice. Okay, go. Let me see the percentages here. This works 94.44, and this is by the best commodity trader in the world. Okay, guys, this is the #1 commodity trader in the world, numero uno, and that's why it works. Okay, but how you get in doesn't mean you make money. Doesn't mean you make money. You might be everywhere. You don't want that. You might be not focused. You don't want that. Okay, so this let me show you the code here and I'll explain what the code is. The code here is 16. The code here is 18. That means on the 16th trading day. This is on the 18th trading day of December. It means that if we go in over the next several days, it should make money. And then, I mean, over the next profitable opening, it will make money 100% and 94% of the time. How do you love that? But again, doesn't mean you make money. You still need experts like this. Like for gold, please ask Ainsley on how to enter. On S&P, I have my own way to enter, okay? So let's see, I'm just showing you the calendar. I'm just showing you, okay? Let me see this. So seasonal pattern, you guys know, right? They were saying that, yeah, gold might go up end of the year. Indeed it is. I'm going to see the, no, I don't want to see that. I want to see the December. So code, I put there code of 16, okay? I want to put there a code of 16. It is the 16th trading day. Can you guys help me count? I don't know how to count, guys. Get out. 16 trading. Oh, we can count it 16 trading. This is Christmas, right? We wish you a Merry Christmas. It's here, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. What? No, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What do you see here? I'm just going to draw a line again. I'm going to be slow with you. Okay, doesn't mean you make money. I mean, don't come after me because I made money on the S&P. I made money on the NASDAQ. I don't know why you didn't make money, guys. I seriously don't know. And you guys want tips? You guys serious? No. We got to be better at this, guys. Okay, so 16 and 18 again. Come on, bring me up the calendar. You see, this is jealous of you guys. This is jealous of you guys. Maybe he doesn't want you guys to make money. Don't be like that. So the 16th, I'm tagging it here. Let me draw my line again. This is probability, okay? The 16th is actually here. The 18th. Doesn't mean you can go, doesn't mean that you need to go, yeah, maybe it means you need to go earlier, you need to go later. I don't know. I'm just telling you of this. I don't know the movement of all this, okay? There, right? So there it is. What this means is this: if you take this trade on this day and hold it on the next profitable opening, you are going to make money 100% of the time. Gold is a little bit more trickier. Go ask Ainsley on this, okay? But again, I think it does agree with her seasonal pattern, like that towards the end of the month, the middle towards the end, it tends to go up. And it agrees here. And it also agrees with the seasonal pattern that we saw, right? Aha. Did I just lose that? Yeah. What is this? Was it? Yeah, this is probably somewhere around here, I would think, which is the 16th trading day of the month. Or is it here? I'm not sure. Is it here? Maybe it's here. Yeah, but, or maybe it's here or it's here. So that kind of makes sense. Goal. I'm going to find goal for you guys. Okay, where's my goal? Who took my goal? Oh, no, they took away my goal, guys. Yeah, I'm going to find goal here. Okay, I'm going to have to find goal here. Do you understand here, right? So based on this, well, we don't need to go that, but based on this, right? So based on this and this, so that's why I said, I think Bitcoin is going to go up in Christmas easily. And it will follow some of the same seasonal patterns, okay? Follow some of the same seasonal patterns of this, okay? And remember, this is 2020, right? So 2020 is presidential election year. I'll show you what happened before, okay? Let me show you that, but let's go see this. Yeah, same thing, right? Yeah, that's gold, right? Yeah, that's gold. That looks like gold to me. Yeah, look at that. It's going up. So that is based on this, but let's see if we can go there, right? See, so I don't know. Is this the date? I don't know, but I see this pattern. Okay, so I really love that pattern. Now, next. So there is some seasonality on Bitcoin here. I'm just going to show it to you. So this is 2016. Okay, line clear. We are here. I think we are here. Basically here, you know, after the US presidential election, right? 2021 will be like 2017. Now, 2017, 2018, Bitcoin went down, right? If you count here, this is Christmas, 25th, up. Here, 25th, up. So everything points to Bitcoin having a very good Christmas. Now, when Bitcoin having a very good Christmas, then you know what to do, right? If you were in cryptocurrency, then you would realign your portfolio, you would change your portfolio. That would allow you then to predict when the smaller coins, the altcoins are going up. So it's always an interaction between Bitcoin and altcoins, And that's when you do the right analysis, then you can play both sides, right? You can take advantage of the Bitcoin going up, and you can also take advantage of altcoins going up. I saw Ethereum just now. What is Ethereum now? So this is, yeah, this is very exciting. Look at that. So Bitcoin, wow, Ethereum is 593. Looks like it's going to break 600 again. That day it was 640, right? And let's look at the other coins. Yeah, it's a very bullish day, guys. It is a very bullish day. So let's see. Wow, everything is in the green. I'm looking at this, okay? I'm looking at 24 hours here, not this. I'm looking at 24 hours. Look, everything is going up. Everything is being pushed up. And as long as that, yeah, that's gone down. It was 62% on the other side on CoinMarketCap, here 61. Then you can see a bullish movement, right? Yeah, it is starting going up again. I don't know if it's a fake out, but what I know is that it's going to be a very good Christmas, not only for Bitcoin, but for also gold and the S&P 500. And from there, that is when you start making your investment decision. Oh, how much should I put into Bitcoin? How much should I put into altcoins? If Bitcoin goes up by Christmas, what happens to altcoins? Okay, when Bitcoin, nothing lasts forever. What goes up must come down, right? When Bitcoin comes down, what are the altcoins that go up? And that's when you have that formulation, right? And it takes time to understand this formulation, right? What do you have, guys? You have this kind of chart here. You have a little bit here, and then you slowly move it here, and look, you go to the moon. And that's how you get to become irresponsibly, that's how you make money irresponsible. You're very irresponsibly making money here, okay? Because it's just out of this world. That is how people do it, right? That's how people do it. That's how people go for what? Two times, 3 times, 10 times, 20 times, 50 times, 100 times even. Yeah, I target in one good rally, I must have a choice that is going to make 100 times, at least one. Then, you know, you have the things that make like 20 times, 50 times, 10 times, 2 times, 1 time. Loss. And I'll tell you the difference here. Okay, I'll tell you the difference, because you guys need to understand that crypto is very, very asymmetric. So all you need is a movement, a large movement on one of your coin. Look what happens to your portfolio. You cannot see it again. Okay, and the tough part is this. Yeah, and I hope my students understand when I show this. You guys understand what's going on, right? You guys understand the formula I told you, right? I want you to look at this very, very carefully, okay? Very, very carefully. And this is the same thing as the S&P 500. I already told you something that went, that's going like 100% going to make it. So again, when I show you all this, especially when I show you about Bitcoin and also the Bitcoin seasonals and all that, they're going to make it. But look at this. Look at this. This is your challenge in cryptocurrency and your challenge in the S&P. Look, it goes like that. Channels. Suddenly it breaks up to the upside, right? Just suddenly like that, it breaks up to the upside, right? If you are not here, you blew it. You blew it. Just that's it. Not here, you blew it. Gone, right? So what I'm saying about the S&P, although there is a very, very reliable signal, in fact, 100% of the time, right? On the 16th trading day, was it? Are you going to get it? You might be here. You might enter here. And then you might be taken out here. Oh, poor you. And then it goes back up again. And then it goes back down. You panic, you go out of the trade. And then suddenly it goes up. So from here to here, guess what? The trade is good. But you are not in, okay? So your job now, if you want to be rich in cryptos, is to figure out, how do I not get knocked out? I'm going to say this time and time again, because you guys want to be rich, right? If you guys want to make good money, then I think Bitcoin is it. If you want to be rich, then it's the altcoins. So this is real data, guys. How do you make sure you are going to be lifted by the rocket up here? If not, your face is going to be like this, you know. I think a lot of people's face are going to be like this, right? Yeah, they made money, but not enough. Or some people, worse, they go in at the end, and guess what? Then it goes down. And this is something you need to solve. So I hope you like that. So it looks like we're going to have a very, 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 very awesome Christmas, guys. Okay. Any questions there? Any questions there? Okay, guys. So that's it. So after this, I am going to record the next lesson for my students. Again, we record lessons every day. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thank you very much. Bye, and think about it. Please make sure you get that 100% probability trade. That's your first practice if you want to become rich. Okay, bye.